been having such a wonderful time hearing from everyone. And you know what they say, जब आप खुश होते हो, जब आपको मजा आता होता है, वक्त ऐसे चला जाता है, पता ही नहीं चलता. And that's pretty much what has happened today. Listening to all of these folks and their journeys and their stories, the day has gone by in a blink. It has been such a positive, happy day, and we've reached almost towards the end of day one. I think what's keeping me happy is that there is a day two. We are all going to be back here, and there's going to be so much more in store. But before that, I would like to invite Anjali Katoj. She's the Senior Director, Communications and Business Development, and I would request her to join us. She's a seasoned social development professional. She's been associated Smile Train ke saath hi for the last 8 years. So, Anjali, if we could hear from you, please.
आप सभी को हमारा नमस्कार. इंडिया के पहले क्लेफ्टकॉन का पहला दिन अब समाप्त होने को है. पिछले 2-3 घंटों में हमने बहुत कुछ देखा और सुना. साक्षी की बहादुरी, हर करेज, आशा जी और दिव्या स्पष्टता, उनका परिश्रम, आशा जी और दिव्या गणेश की आशा जी और दिव्या दिनेश की स्पष्टता, उनकी फ्रैंकनेस, हमारे क्लेफ्ट वॉरियर्स नुपुर, विनीता, केविन, श्रवण का परिश्रम, their determination and hard work, ज़ेबा का आत्मविश्वास, her self confidence, हमारे मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट्स डॉक्टर करुण अग्रवाल एंड डॉक्टर पुनीत बत्रा, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमें समझाया व्हाट आर द टाइमलाइंस ऑफ क्लेफ्ट केयर. एंड हमारी लाइफ गाइड एंड मेंटल वेलनेस कोच अंकुर की सलाह, लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस कैसे पाएं. It has been really wonderful. This is the first time that we have done this in India. And I just want to say that it's not only at the border or in a battlefield that the brave are found. They walk between us. Each of you present here today is a brave heart. Whether you were an individual born with a cleft, or you are a parent of a child who was born with a cleft, or you are a cleft care professional who is bringing smiles to so many children and families. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for sharing with us today. It really means a lot. अपने स्माइल ट्रेन के सभी साथियों की तरफ से मैं आप सबको थैंक यू बोलती हूँ. We had some little glitches. This is the first time we have done it. हमारा ब्रेकआउट सेशन काफी कई लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि वहाँ कैसे जाना है. उसके लिए हमारी तरफ से सॉरी, अपॉलॉजीज, क्षमा. कल के लिए we will try to send you better instructions ताकि आप लोग समझ पाएं कि ब्रेकआउट में आप कैसे एंटर करें और उसके आप वहां जाके पार्टिसिपेट कर सकें. लेकिन so day one is almost at the end, but it's not the end. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, ये इंटरमिशन है. कल एक पूरा दिन है full of sessions, full of motivational speakers and lot of special sessions planned for you. Please join in and take active participation in this session. From March, all of us at Smile Train, thank you. But before we go, a small sweet surprise still waits for you. हमारे दिल्ली के cleft warrior हैं जय गौर. He's a student, a college student, born with a cleft lip and palate. उन्होंने हमारे लिए एक बहुत सुंदर गाना prepare किया है. The song is Night Changes by One Direction. And may I please request the event team to play this song. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow.